Hello, welcome to UPSC Rainbow. Previous class study about various reform movement. So today we focus on the Indian freedom struggle from 1857 to 1917. So let us start with the basic prelims questions. Okay. First question is which of the following were the cause of the revolt of the 1857? The absentee sovereignty of the British rule in India. Yes, the power was concentrated among few aristocrats. No, you that the power is concentrated with the regional leaders. So second statement is incorrect. The advent of new industry in India. These statements are also incorrect because no any new industry come. Racial discrimination is there. So asking what correct statement? Correct statement is 1 and 4. So answer is B. Match the following leaders with the revolt of 1857. You know that Nana Sahib fight from the Kanpur and the Kubar Singh fight from the Bihar and the Tatya Tope from the Bareilly and the Khan Bahadur Khan from the Gwalior. So matching with Nana Sahib with Kanpur, one is third, Khan Bahadur Khan is one. So C is the correct statements. Which of the following is not a reason for the failure of the revolt of the 1857? The revolt was mainly feudal in character, yes, because every everyone fight for their own interest. The soldier of the lower caste remained loyal to the Britishers. Indian leader lacked sense of valor. These statements are wrong. British army had better weapons. Yes, asking what incorrect statement. So answer is C. What were the changes in administration after the revolt of the 1857? India was to be governed in the name of the sovereign. Yes, the ratio of the European troops was increased in the military. Yes, steps were taken for legislative centralization. No, because steps is taken for the legislative decentralization. You know that Indian Council Act 1861 work for decentralization. The third statement is incorrect. A distinction between the martial and non-martial races was made. The statements are correct. Asking about correct statements is 1, 2 and 4 are correct statements. So answer is C. Mehta, Telang and Tayyab ji are credited for the organization of Bombay Presidency Association. So answer is A. The theory of economic drain of India was propounded by Dadabhai Naoroji. So answer is B. Each of the following statements are correct. Moderates were loyal to crown. Yes. Moderates assess the economic impact of the rule in India. Yes. 1 and 2 are correct statements. So answer is A. Match the following patrika with writer Amrit Bazar Patrika. You know that the Dadabhai Naoroji. So first is 4. Okay. Rashtragoptar. Sorry. Amrit Bazar Patrika is Shishir Kumar Bose and Rashtragopta is Dada Bhanori. She is second. So is that okay. The Tribune is the Dayal Singh Majithai. So B is third and Yugantar is Birinder Kumar Ghosh. So D is 1. So asking what matching correct matching. So answer is D. Which of the following statements are correct? The moderates and the extremists joined hand against the partition of Bengal and launched Swadeshi movement. Joined hand against the Bengal participation, but Swadeshi launched was different value. So these statements are partially correct. So this is incorrect. In the 1906 Congress session declared dominance status to be the political goal of the Congress. These statements are correct. Asking all correct statements. So answer is B, C, 2 only. Mitra Mela. You know the Mitra Mela is the founder is B.D. Savarkar. Yes. Bharat Mela Society is G.M. Chatterjee. Yes. East India Association by Dada Bhai Nauroji. So C statements are incorrect. Servant of India Society is Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Asking what? Not correct statement. So answer is C. The plan of the Gaddar movement was to from secret society, form secret society and propagate seditious literature. Yes, temper of loyalty of Indian troops for an armed revolution. Yes, assassinate unpopular British official. Yes, covet foreign enemies of Britain. Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are correct statements. So answer is D. The plan of the Bengal in 1915 carried out by Jatin Mukherjee was aimed to capturing Fort William. So answer is B. Which of the following statements are correct about Shahid Bhagat Singh are true? Bhagat Singh was founding member of the Hindustan Republic Association. No founding member as Chandrasekhar Azad and other member. Bhagat Singh joined later it. So first statements are incorrect. He was able to inculcate sense of patriotism among the youth of Punjab through the organization known as Naujawan Bharat Sabha. These statements are correct. Asking for correct statements, only one answer is B. Marlow Minto reform aimed at increasing number of members in legislative council at center. Yes. Separate electorates for the Muslim. Yes. Reserved seat in the provincial assembly for the Dalit. No. Promotion of education is not there. Asking for correct statement 1 and 2. So answer is A. Which of the following statements are correct? Muhammad Ali Jinnah was the chief architect of the Lucknow Pact, which brought understanding between the Congress and the Muslim League. This is true. In August Declaration of 1917, Montague assured that the powers would be gradually transferred to the Indian. These statements are also correct. So 1 and 2 are correct statement. So answer is A. The immediate cause of for the outbreak of Gaddar revolution was the Kamagatu Maru incident happened. So answer is C. The first major issues that the Indian Association took up for registration was reform of the civil service regulation. So answer is D. Which of the following were the demands of the moderates from 1885 to 1905? Expansion of legislative council, yes. More education facilities for the women, no. Reduction in military expenditure, yes. Reduction in land revenue, yes. So asking about correct statements. So 1, 3, 4 are correct statements. So answer is C. Which of the following statements are correct? The main aim of the Muslim League was where? To promote anti-British sentiment among Muslim youth. No. Muslim League loyal to British, so these statements are incorrect. To protect the political and other rights of the Indian Muslim, yes. So asking for correct statements, so only 2. Answer is C. Which of the following statements are correct? Home rule movement in India was on the lines of the Irish Home Rule, yes. Any recent Home Rule League operated all over the India? No, because any recent movement rule operated all over India except Telugu Tilak Home Rule. So second statements are incorrect. So asking about correct statements, only one answer is B. Thank you for that.